Welcome to Donnie's Auto World. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Mahindra Alfa auto rickshaw, a trusted name that's back with better performance, style, and utility. If you're someone who relies on three-wheelers for daily business or personal commuting, this updated Alfa might just be the partner you've been waiting for. The 2025 Mahindra Alfa continues its legacy of durability and ruggedness, but with a refreshed design that blends traditional strength with modern aesthetics. It has a strong metal body structure that provides enhanced safety and longevity, making it a smart investment for those looking for a long-lasting vehicle. The front now looks more refined, and the overall finish gives a premium feel while retaining that tough, road-ready DNA Mahindra is known for. Under the hood, this auto is powered by a reliable and fuel-efficient single-cylinder four-stroke diesel engine. It produces enough torque to tackle steep roads and heavy loads with ease, which is crucial for drivers in both city and semi-urban areas. The engine has been fine-tuned for smoother pickup and better mileage, which means lower operating costs and more money in your pocket. One of the biggest improvements in the 2025 Alfa is ride comfort. Mahindra has worked on the suspension to offer a more stable and less bumpy ride, even on uneven roads. Whether you're carrying passengers or transporting goods, the Alfa remains steady and easy to handle. The wider rear wheelbase provides better balance, especially when fully loaded. The seating area is roomier too, giving passengers a more comfortable travel experience, an important factor for daily commuters. Inside the driver's cabin, things are also more refined. The dashboard is cleaner and more functional, with better placement of switches and indicators. The steering is light and responsive, making it ideal for city traffic. There's also improved legroom for the driver, which adds to comfort during long working hours. When it comes to loading capacity, the Alfa doesn't disappoint. The cargo variant offers ample space and is built tough to handle demanding tasks. Whether it's transporting fruits, vegetables, or parcels, this rickshaw is built for business. All in all, the 2025 Mahindra Alfa remains one of the most reliable and practical auto rickshaws in its segment. It combines rugged construction, fuel efficiency, and comfort, making it a top choice for commercial use. Thank you for watching this review on Donnie's Auto World. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.